Let's cook ginataang kalabasa at sitaw. Iprito natin ang baboy sa sarili niyang mantika. Takpan para mabilis maluto. Lagyan natin ng coconut. Guys, nakalimutan kong igisa. My goodness. Kaya idagdag na lang natin yung garlic and onion. At umapaw ang ating sabaw. Oh my goodness. Dapat pala guys, hindi siya tinatakpan. Nagkalat tuloy. Palambutin natin ng mabuti yung karne. Dapat malambot na malambot. Dapat lutong-luto. Kasi pag pork guys, kailangan luto. Search nyo na lang. Search. And I'm gonna put 1 nor cube. Because why not coconut? And now our meat is tender. Let's put our kalabasa. Let's put our sitaw. Isabay na natin ang ating bagoong. This much. Magdudurog tayo ng mga ilan para medyo manamis-namis ang ating sabaw. Okay na to. This is Ate Isa's plate.
Thank you, Mommy. Is there shrimp?
No, that's pork. This is Ate Kana's plate.
Thank you, Mom. Mommy,
You're
I have to put it
welcome.
down. I have to put the sticker. So, the stickers for the flies.
Flies, go eat now. Wow! Masarap. How's it?
So good.
So good. Finish that, okay? It's healthy.
Mommy.
And let's go get some more. There's a lot more, okay?
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching. And don't
Bye.
forget.
Don't forget to.
And don't forget to follow us on our